you all? I hope you all are good and happy. So today we are going to begin with the lesson number 7 of your class 6 English grammar, that is agreements of verb with subject. So let's begin with this lesson. The verb agrees with its subject in number and person. जो verb होती है agree करती है अपने subject के साथ किसमें, number में या person में, और number और person में. Like number, every verb has two number. हर verb में दो number होता है. Singular का मतलब होता है one, plural means more than one. Singular one होता है, plural होता है एक से ज्यादा. So the boy plays cricket every day. So the boys plays cricket every day. Boy क्या है आपका singular है, और यहाँ पे क्या है plural हो गया. The boys हो गया ना, plays. क्या एक ही बार ऐसा लगेगा, play cricket every day. So in sentence 1, the subject boy is in the singular number. Sentence 1 is form subject जो आपको boy singular number में. So the verb must also be in the singular number like play, not plays. आपका verb आपकी क्या होनी चाहिए, singular number में होनी चाहिए, plays होनी चाहिए play की जगह. So the boy in sentence 2, the subject boys is in the plural form. जो boy है तो plural form में है. So the verb must be in the प्लूरल नंबर. तो आपकी वर्ब आपके प्लूरल नंबर में होगी, लाइक प्ले होगी प्लेस की जगह. द वर्ब मस्ट एग्री विद सब्जेक्ट एंड नंबर. वर्ब को एग्री करना चाहिए सब्जेक्ट और नंबर के साथ. सो प्रीति एंड अमित आर माय नेबर्स. प्रीति और अमित क्या है, मेरे नेबर्स हैं. शी लाइक्स चॉकलेट. वी लाइक क्रिकेट मोर देन वॉलीबॉल. हमें क्रिकेट पसंद है वॉलीबॉल से ज्यादा. द काउ एंड द काफ आर in the shed. The tiger is a national animal. Now person. The subject of a verb can be in three person. The first, the second and the third. Yes, subject होता है verb का three persons होता है. First में भी हो सकता है, second में भी और third में भी. First क्या होगा, I like the coffee. मुझे कॉफी पसंद आई. Like I तो हो गया first person हो गया. You like the coffee. You क्या हो गया, क्या तुम्हें कॉफी पी, you like the coffee. Second हो गया he she like the coffee. He she likes coffee. Third हो गया he she likes coffee. So in sentence where the subject is in the first person, the verb must also be in the first person. Thus it agrees with the subject I. So in sentence 2 the subject is in the second person and therefore the verb must be in the second person. So the subject in sentence 3 the subject is in the third person and the verb is also in the third person. The verb must agree with the subject in person. तो verb का agree करना चाहिए subject के साथ person में. Like read more sentences. I am a good singer. He is intelligent boy. These are interesting books. You are an honest boy. So thus a verb must agree with the subject in its number and person as first person, second person, third person. First person में क्या हो, I speak, we speak. Second में you speak, you speak. Third में क्या होगा, he, she speak. They speak. The boy speaks. The boys speak. Now read the example of the verb to be. I am, we are, you are, का you are होता है. He, she, they are. He, she is, they are हो जाता है. If subject consists of two or more singular nouns, subject में दो से ज्यादा singular noun होता है और pronoun होता है joined by and takes in a plural verb. तो क्या लेते हैं, plural verb लेते हैं. Like Ankit and Arav are brothers. Mohan, Sohan and Rakesh go to the same school. He and his friends have left this place. उसने और उसके दोस्तों ने उसके दोस्त ने ये जगह छोड़ दी है. But if two singular nouns refer to the same person, अगर दो singular nouns same person से ही refer करेंगे और thing से the verb is singular, तो आपकी verb क्या होगी, singular होगी. My friend and well-wisher has arrived. The same person is a friend and a well-wisher. Same person हो गए. My cousin and a friend. मेरा cousin और मेरा friend has come. The same person is cousin as well as friend. Now, when the subject consists of two nouns, अगर subject में two nouns होते हैं और pronouns होते हैं joined with or as well as, the verb agrees with the first person of them. तो verb किसके साथ agree करेगी, first के साथ agree करेगी. The king with his attendants was welcome. जो king था वो अपने attendants के साथ वो welcome हुआ. The captain with all the player is present. जो captain है सारे players के साथ वो present है. All the players with the captain are present in the ground. They as well as I are they as well as I are going to attend the meeting. वो और मतलब मैं भी हम क्या जा रहे हैं मीटिंग अटेंड करने जा रहे हैं. एंड टू और मोर सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट, दो से ज्यादा सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट है यहाँ पे, ज्वाइंट बाय और नीदर, either or या neither nor, so they are in the singular. those जो क्या they take a verb ऐसे देते singular में, such as no boy or girl was left behind. कोई भी boy या फिर girl पीछे नहीं रहा. either Nani or Rekha was absent. neither food nor water was available. neither John nor Tom was present. So when the subject joined by or, neither nor are of different numbers of person, वो क्या होते हैं different number of persons भी होते हैं. The verb agrees with the subject nearest to it. जो verb होती है agree करती है subject जो उसके बिल्कुल nearest होता है. Such as Rohan or his friends have helped him. रोहन और उसके फ्रेंड ने उनकी हेल्प की है. Neither Mr. Gupta nor his family members were hurt in the accident. Neither you or he is to blame. Neither she nor I am at fault. So neither, everyone, one of them take a singular verb. ये क्या लेते हैं? Singular verb लेते हैं. Like each of these brothers play plural. Every boy and every girl was punctual. Everyone knows the secret now. One of the thief has been caught. So much, a little, may, many, must, will be followed by a verb in a singular form. वो किससे follow होंगे? Verb से follow होगी singular form में. So too much of everything is bad. ज़्यादा हर चीज बेकार होती है. Much as already been said, only a little of work has been complete. So now next, a few, several, both, many are always followed by a plural verb. जो few हो गया आपका, a few हो गया, several हो गया, both हो गया, many हो गया, वो किससे follow होता है? आपके plural verb से. Like many of these students were absent yesterday. Several of these shops are closed today. Both the boys have failed to do their homework. A few of these quarters are still vacant. So a collective noun may take a singular or plural verb. Collective noun आपके singular or plural verb भी ले सकते हैं. If the collection is thought of as a whole, the verb is singular. But if the individual or members are of the group, the individual or member आपके group में होता है, so thought of separately, the verb is plural. तो thought of the separately का verb क्या होता है? Plural होती है. Such as the committee was of one opinion. Like singular verb was हो गया. The committee were divided in their opinion. Plural verb हो गया were आपका. There is a large number of boys in the class. Large number of boys in there is क्या? Singular verb है. A large number of boys were caught copy. So plural verb हो गया were आपका. Now, this rule applies to crew, mob, jury, council, cabinet, etc. A collective noun takes a singular verb such as the crew was large. The fleet has set sail. So, some nouns which are plural in form, जो कुछ नाउन आपके plural होता है फॉर्म में, बस singular in meaning होता है. Singular meaning होता है उनका तेगा singular verb. वो singular verb भी लेते हैं. Like physics is not an easy subject to learn. Physics तो singular पर ऐसा लग रहा है. फिजिक्स वो इजी सब्जेक्ट नहीं है लर्न करने के लिए. द न्यूज इज ट्रू. न्यूज आपका हमेशा ऐसा लगता है न्यूज में, वो न्यूज सच है. ये क्या है कि सिंगुलर ही होती है. व्हेन सम स्पेसिफिक क्वांटिटी और अमाउंट इज कंसीडर, जब कोई स्पेसिफिक क्वांटिटी और अमाउंट कंसीडर होता है टू बी वन पोल, द प्लूरल वर्ब जनरली टेक्स अ सिंगुलर वर्ब. प्लूरल वर्ब को जनरली सिंगुलर वर्ब लगती है. सच एज 80 किलोमीटर वाज कवर्ड इन नियरली एन आवर. 80 किलोमीटर कवर हो गया एक आवर में. 100 रुपीज, रुपीज इज नॉट अ बिग सम. जो 100 रुपीज ज्यादा सम मतलब ज्यादा अमाउंट नहीं है. Where a plural noun is the name of one thing. जब plural noun एक का नेम होता है एक चीज का, उसको क्या चाहिए होता है? सिंगुलर वर्ब चाहिए होती है. Like the United States of America is our which country? United States of America क्या है? Which country है? If two singular subjects together express one idea, जब दो singular subject एक ही idea express करते हैं, the verb is in the singular. Like bread and butter, दो सब्जेक्ट हो गए. इज माई डेली ब्रेकफास्ट, वो सिंगुलर चीज एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हैं. स्लो एंड स्टेडी विंस द रेस. सो इफ टू सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट्स टुगेदर एक्सप्रेस वन आइडिया, जब दो सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट एक ही आइडिया एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, The verb is in the singular verb. क्या होगी आपकी singular में होगी. The editor and the writer have been awarded. जो editor और writer क्या आपका award हुआ है. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. Thank you and have a great day.